Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. Well, it's time for our FaceTime Friday. Are you ready for this?
I'm excited.
I am a little bit more, I'm excited as well. Why are we so excited? Because guess who's joining me this week? Look right here. It is our very own Carol. Stop!
Yay, Carol! Hi.
Hi. Good to see you both. And I have to say, first of all, Gina, I do know where my glasses are sometimes. So thank you
Sometimes.
for being there to help me find my glasses. I heard that. So, hi guys.
Hi.
Okay, so we need to probably let everybody know there's a beautiful body of water behind you.
Yes.
And I let everybody know where you're at, because you're not at Yanni Park.
Yeah, we're not at Yanni Park. No, that's for sure. That's not the little pond behind me in Yanni Park. We are right now in Total, Greece. I'm on vacation with my husband and 47 of my closest friends. And behind me is called, and I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see it. It's called the Argolic Gulf. It's part of the Mediterranean Sea, you guys. And you know how when you think of Greece, you think of the houses. You can see the houses built up in the mountainside there. There's islands everywhere in this country, and it's just gorgeous. There's one you can see right over there, and Ronnie and Gina, I don't know if you can notice, but there's on the very top of that island is a church, and it's just beautiful. And every June they have a celebration here that goes along with that church. They take people on boats over to that island, and it's just gorgeous.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah. I'm envious.
So it's we just got here today. We're in Tolos, Greece, which is the northeastern part of the south part of the country. I had just been told. I'm learning my geography. So, and the weather, you guys, the weather is like it is, although I think you're a little hotter there in Nebraska than it is here. It's been very, very nice. But the weather here has been really, really spectacular.
So what have you got to go see and experience since you've been there, Carol?
Well, yesterday, I'm glad you brought that up because I think we have some pictures of this. Yesterday we were in Athens and we went to see the Parthenon and all those places you read about in 7th and 8th grade history, but you think, goodness gracious, I don't think I really need to know about that. But I'm telling you, it's just absolutely incredible. And you know, I've seen other people that have been, I know you're seeing the pictures right now that have been there and you think, oh, that's beautiful, that's nice. But when you hear about the history and the things like that, it's incredible to kind of put places to the names that you see there. And I'm telling you, I'm digging up some great stories, Ronnie, that I want to Zoom with some of these people. There's people that actually work on these historical sites day in and day out that are professionals. They are archaeologists. They know what they're doing and trying to reconstruct, and fix things that are thousands of years old. And the Acropolis, that means a hill, city on top of a hill. That's what you're looking at right now. So I wish I would have paid attention in 7th grade and 8th grade history a lot more.
Okay, so I want to know, true or false? We heard that you might have attempted to fall down the steps at the Coliseum. Did it happen? Did it not happen?
Who told you that? I told Ronnie that. Where were we today? Okay, we are at this ancient theater, and I'm going to have my guest tell you the name of that in Greek when she comes on in a few minutes. But the stones, it's beautiful, and I'll try to show you some pictures next week. But the stones and everything that it's made out of, it's very slick. So truth be told, I slipped down just one step.
Okay, one step.
But I'm okay.
One
but
step.
yes,
all right.
That is the truth.
So Carol, when I go on vacation, I love to try the different food. You're in a whole different country. How's the food?
Ronnie, you would be over the moon because the food is wonderful. We had lunch this afternoon a little while ago with some friends of ours, and my friend's son, guess what he tried? I think for the second time. You're never going to guess this, you guys.
Octopus?
Gina and Ron. What?
Octopus?
Oh, yeah, how did you know that? Yes, he tried octopus, and you know what it tastes? You know what it tastes like?
Better not be chicken.
Bacon-wrapped steak.
Oh, no.
So,
I don't believe that.
Ronnie,
That
I know
sounds
you
like
your
a lie.
bacon, and I know you both like your steak, so It tastes like bacon. First he said it tasted like shrimp and steak together. Then the more he tried the octopus, it tastes like bacon wrapped steak.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try it, not like today or tomorrow. Maybe right before we leave. I'll try it and let you guys know.
Yes.
Okay. Well, Carol, stay with us because we're going to come back to you here in a little bit. So don't go anywhere, friends. Our FaceTime Friday continues after this. Stay with us. Welcome back to MTV's Good Life. That may be beautiful Wayne, America, but our beautiful Carol is not in the States.
No.
No, she joins us live from Greece. Good morning again, Carol. I gotta tell you, that backdrop is just beautiful.
If I could just take this home, or the other thing, we need to move the Good Life show here.
Okay.
Because it's beautiful.
Sure.
And I have good friends here. Nikos, I'm sure wouldn't mind if we moved in with him and his wife and his new baby. But I need to tell you, another one of my good friends who has deep heritage here in Greece. Her family, her mom was born here, and she still has relatives here. I want to introduce you all to Tam Amtweit. She's joining me. She's from Kearney, Nebraska. Helped organize. There's Tam. Say good morning to Ronnie and Gina.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So Tam is like a lot of the brains behind putting this trip together. That you two need to come on. We need to go again in 2 years. So when I was asking Tam, we're in the beautiful city of Tolo right now. So, and having been here, how many times have you been to Greece?
We would go every 4 years as a kid, and this is my third tour.
So about 17,000 times she's been here, more or less. So your favorite place in Greece?
Oh my goodness. We go to so many locations, and all of them are different. All of them are beautiful. I prefer to get out of Athens and see the seaside areas and go to the smaller villages and areas like that.
And that's kind of where we are today. And tonight, you and Nikos had mentioned that we're going to a really beautiful city called
Naflio. Yeah. There's a Turkish fortress there that we'll visit this evening, and then we'll go on to ancient Olympia in a few days. But tomorrow morning we'll also be taking a cruise of a couple Greek islands.
Not one, but a couple.
Yeah.
Which is fun.
A couple Greek islands.
Yeah, a couple Greek islands. Yep. And then, Ronnie, you were asking me earlier about the food here. And Tam's mom is like one of the best cooks ever. She makes homemade baklava, which I haven't had yet. But, I mean, the tradition of the food here is just amazing, and what you grew up with.
Yes.
Some of your favorites.
So my mom and my aunt run a restaurant in Cairo, Nebraska for 25 plus years, and they always serve Greek food there. So of course myself and my kids, the Yaya, my kids call her Yaya. They've all learned to cook Greek food.
Yeah, and I tell you, it is really good. But if you're thinking about wanting to take a tour, come with Tam, because I'm telling you, it's the easiest. And I said this to James, you guys, earlier today. You want to come on a trip like this to another country if you've never been, with someone who knows the ropes. And you combine with Nikos and his family, because Nikos lives here. He grew up. Is to come with someone who knows, because we've had some of the best tour guides that explain things to us.
So I'm an honorary member of Olympia Travel.
Yes.
Here we go.
Yes.
So I work with a company here in my mom's hometown, and they are a professional tour company, and they set up the schedule and everything. So I coordinate getting the people here. We have people from all over Nebraska, Kearney, Pleasanton, Alliance, Omaha, and then there's people from several other states, friends of friends. And we're just thrilled that James and Carol are able to join us.
Yeah, and tell Ronnie and Gina, where were we today when I tripped Gina?
We went to the ancient theater of Apizidros. I even have a hard time pronouncing it.
I was trying to say that.
And it's a 2,500-year-old theater, and it's known for perfect acoustics.
And so we went there today, you guys, and it was just, Spring River Theater needs to come here and perform, because it's just beautiful. And that's the thing, though, when you come with somebody who knows the history and the traditions and the places to take you, Gina and Ronnie, that's what I think makes touring so much fun, like this has been.
Well, Carol, I got to say, I'm glad that you got to go. It looks like you're having a great time. You are missed. Everyone misses you, so.
We do. Lots and lots.
Well, we just want to say, Ronnie and Gina, thank you for everything you're doing while we're able to do this, and thank you for all the crew behind us who helped make sure we're on Wi-Fi and everything together, and the hotel that let us come here and do this. And so we will bring you back some octopus. How's that sound?
Oh, sounds.
Pick something else.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know that that's going to make the trip back.
Yeah.
I just,
Ronnie,
a Greek flag, I don't know. Maybe not octopus.
Not octopus. Well, James had a burger and fries yesterday, and then some chicken and fries today.
Good,
So,
good man. Good man.
yeah, it's been
All right.
fun. So.
Well, thank you, Carol. Good to see you. We'll talk to you next Friday.
Okay, we'll be back. If not sooner, just let us know. But
Okay.
it's good seeing you guys.
All right.
Good hearing your
Bye.
voice. Bye,
All
you
right.
guys.
All right, we're coming back with more right after this.